Welcome! Welcome, Fox! Take a seat. Oh wait, I guess you're seated at home. We didn't have a streaming back in the day, just to break our fourth wall a little bit. I was here to be here, okay? Don't take this with your problem. Start with... Ooh, gingerbread! My little common cookies, so I'm going to react to the tire. Okay, next up, my stick flour cookies. Ooh, interesting. He can be the big party of people, but he has the same goals as mine, so I guess C tier. He's fine. Ah, this is easy. Fuck it, blah blah blah. I'm tired, no further questions. Pure vanilla cookies here. Oh, my silly vanilla, my Pookie Bear who stole my soul jam. F tier. Two. Lies. Further cookie. What a drag. Also F tier. Trap me in a tree. Uncool. That foolish little failure. Speaking of which, the wild one gets a T there. He definitely gets on my bad side. But he did defeat me. Who's next? You know what? I'll give it to him. Be tired. Wait. And next up is Be Tired. Burning Spice Cookie. Because some spice. Who's that, Archie? I see. Who's so pretty silly guy? So be here. I'll be turning roast. Oh, interesting. I didn't know he had a spreading for dark. Be here. I'm looking for something to play out. And finally, Cooper Red! Just here! Chance for Shadow Milk! Am I right? And entirely is complete. And takes comment down below. I won't be reading them. I'm over in the Cookie Run Kingdom. And maybe you will catch on fish. See you later, Cookie Runners!